Thank you distinguished Russian customers for visiting EagerLED company. It is our honor. During this visit, we first led you into our dazzling LED screen exhibition hall, showing our latest LED technology and products. The specially introduced flexible LED screen has aroused strong interest from customers, and its flexibility and high definition have won unanimous praise. We also introduced the EA500C3 LED rental screen to customers in detail and demonstrated its wide range of applications in various activities and occasions, which was highly recognized by customers. Subsequently, we took you to visit the LED aging workshop, demonstrating our strict quality control during the production process. Customers have shown strong interest in the maintenance process of LED lamp beads. Our professional technical team patiently answered their questions and introduced our experience and technology in LED lamp maintenance and replacement in depth. During this personal visit, we not only demonstrated EagerLED's technical strength and innovation capabilities in the LED field, but also demonstrated our commitment to product quality and customer relationships. We sincerely hope that this visit can provide you with a more comprehensive understanding and inspire more inspiration for cooperation. Thank you for your visit and look forward to creating a better future in the field of LED technology and applications.